Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are skipping the warm-up because this is a video and you don't have a partner. But this is Lesson 6, Combining Like Terms. So in order to do this, I have to know, well, like I said, we're skipping this bit here. Bye. We're going to talk about like terms. Like terms, as you know from 7th grade, are two terms that have either the same variable and the same exponent, and or just regular boring numbers. So, so like terms have the same variable and exponent. So, for example, 6 and 7 and 9 are like terms. They have no variable, they have no exponent, they are alike. 2x, 7x, and 4x are like terms. They all have just an x and an invisible 1 for an exponent. And 3x cubed and 5x cubed are like terms. They have the same variable and exponent. But 2x and 3x cubed, not like terms because of the exponent. Okay, so when combining like terms, you're gonna, number one, keep the variable and exponent the same. Don't do anything to the variable and the exponent. And number two, add the coefficients. So, for example, number one, the variables are x. Nothing happens to the x. I'm only going to add the coefficients. I'm going to add 4 and 3. But the x is going to stay the same. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And the x stays the same. But on the other side of the equation, there's no variable, there's no exponent. You just add the numbers. 500 plus 60 is 560. Now, I could solve it by dividing both sides by 7. Seven divided by 7 is 1. X equals, well, come on, 56 divided by, no, sorry. I was about to do that wrong. 560 divided by 7, 80. Okay, put a box around it because it's beautiful. And then to check it, I have to put 80 where both the x's are. So, 4 times 80 plus 3 times 80. I should have changed it earlier. Equals 500 plus 60. Order of operations, multiply first. 4 times 80 is 320, plus 3 times 80 is 240, equals 500 plus 60. 320 and 240 is 560, and that equals 500 plus 60, 560. So that checks. All right. For the next problem, oh, you have to try it. Try it, try it, try it. Turn off the video and try these problems. You can do it. It's not that bad. Okay, welcome back. I hope you turned off the video and tried them. Negative 39. Keep the y. It's only 5 plus 8, 13. That changes. So you keep the variable, add the coefficients. To get rid of the 13, you divide both sides by 13. Negative 39 divided by 13 is negative 3 equals y. Oh, but you know I don't like the y on the left, on the right like this. I'm going to flip this over and get y equals negative 3. Put a little box around it because it's done. And I'm going to check it on my calculator because it doesn't tell me to check it, and there's no the word check there. So I'm just going to, calculator it. 5 parentheses negative 3 parentheses plus 8 parentheses negative 3 parentheses. And I'm hoping I get negative 39. Let's see if it worked. Oh, look at that, negative 39. Beautiful. This one. You're combining like terms, so only the 2r and the 6r. Keep the variable, add, oh, sorry, not adding, subtracting. 2 minus 6, negative 4. The rest of it stays the same. Plus 8 equals 40. So 2 minus 6. Only subtract the coefficients. All right. Let's see. The opposite of add 6, add 8 is subtract 8 from both sides. No, I can't talk today. Here we go. Negative 4r equals 32. Divide both sides by negative 4. And I get r equals negative 8. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to try that in the equation just to make sure that it works. So 2 parentheses negative 8 minus 6 parentheses negative 8 plus 8. It's just straight across. Don't have to do that side because that's what I wanted to equal, 40. And it does. Yay. Okay, let's take a look on the next page. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Don't look at that. Here we go. Example 2. So I'm going to rewrite this problem, and I'm going to put the like terms together. So I am just going to, this is plus 4. I can squeeze that in here right after the 2x. Here we go. 2x plus 4. That's a plus 3. Wait, 2x plus 4x. Don't mess that up. Plus 3 minus 6 equals 9. So now I have my like terms together. Remember, keep the variable x and add the coefficients. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, there is no variable there. 3 minus 6 is negative 3 equals 9. Oh, I have double signs here. I'm just going to ignore that plus for a minute. Okay. The opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Here we go. Bring down the 6x, because negative 3 and positive 3 add up to 0. 9 plus 3 is 12. The inverse, divide by 6. Let's see, 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Bum, 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 bum. So now when I check it, I'm going to rewrite it, and wherever there's an x, I'm going to put 2 in parentheses. So here we go. 2 times 2. Now I can't change the order. I have to go right back to the original problem. Minus 6 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 equals 9. Yeah, I'm kind of on the edge of the paper there. So wherever there was an x, I put 2 in parentheses. Now, I could either just stick that in my calculator, or I'm going to use my brain. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 equals 9. So order of operations, just multiply first. Let's see. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 8 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, equals 9. Or you could grab a calculator and check it. My brain is faster than a calculator because, you know, that's why I'm a math teacher. So that checked. All right. You have these two problems. Turn off the video. Do the problems. You don't have to check them on paper, but you do have to check them on your calculator. Oh, wait, there's 1, 2. Yeah, just do those two. All right, welcome back. When I rewrite this problem, I'm going to move some stuff around. I'm going to put the 4m in the front. 4m minus, now remember, between the negative and the m is that invisible 1. So minus 1m minus 7 minus 5 equals negative 3. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3m. Negative 7 and negative 5. Those are both minus signs, but I can combine those to have minus 12 equals negative 3. Okay, now I have an equation I can solve. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. And let's see, 12 and negative 12, that's 0. 3 equals negative 3 plus 12 is 9. Oh, 3 doesn't equal 9. Bono, bono, bono. There's an m in there. Not good. All right, the inverse of 3 times m is to divide by 3. And my answer is m equals 3. Like I said, you don't have to check it on paper, but it's a good idea to grab a calculator and check it in the calculator. So wherever there's an m, I'm going to put 3 in parentheses. So negative parentheses 3, and I covered it up so I can't see it, minus 7 plus 4 parentheses 3 minus 5. Ba-bam, negative 3, just like negative 3, and it worked. Yay! All right, next one. Ha! Like terms, only there's decimals. Ha! Come back here, calculator. I pushed you away too soon. Here we go. 3 and 8 tenths plus 5 2/10 is 9. So I'm really just adding the coefficients. So when I add these two, I get 9x minus 6 7/10 equals 11 3/10. Add 6 7/10 to both sides. And let's see. Negative and positive is 0. 9x equals 7/10 3/10, 0.0. Carry the 1, 6, 7, 8, 18.0. Okay. Divide both sides by 9 and get x equals 2. And it works. Yay! Go back, grab that handy dandy calculator, hit clear, and put that in, substituting 2 in parentheses. 3 8/10 times 2 minus, plus 5 2/10 times 2 minus 6 7/10 is 11 3/10. Happy, happy, joy, joy. On to example 3. Oh, look at that mess. That is a least common denominator is 4. Remember, these all go, these would go over 1. So you're going to multiply the numerators times 4. So 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 4 times negative 3. So 4 times 1 is, I'm going to move it over here because I need a little space. 4. And 4, there's that invisible 1 there, times 4 is 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. But remember, everything on the bottom stays the same. So 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 4 times x. Plus 4 times x divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 2, x equals negative 12 divided by 1. Wow, that was a lot of math, and I'm not even done yet. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. Plus 4 divided by 1 is 4x. And me, I did this wrong. 4 times 1 is 4. So much better. 4 divided by 2 minus 2x equals negative 12, because negative 12 divided by 1. Okay, now I can just add 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 3x equals negative 12. That was a lot of work to get that little bitty baby problem. All right, divided by 3, x equals negative 4. And now to check it. Okay. Rewrite the problem, and wherever there's an x, you're going to put negative 4. So 1/4 times negative 4 plus negative 4 minus 1/2 times negative 4 equals negative 3. I'm not even going to pretend. I'm just going to grab my calculator and I'm going to math it up good here. 1/4 times negative 4 plus negative 4 minus 1/2 times negative 4. Oh boy, this better be negative 3 when I'm done. Thank goodness. Wow, that was a lot of math there, wasn't it? Oof. -3 equals -3. Happy I have a calculator and it checks. You try these two problems. You can do them. They're not that bad. Turn off the video. I really hope you're trying the problems, because if you don't do math, you're never going to learn math. All right, between 3 and 6, the least common multiple is 6. So I'm going to multiply everything here times 6. 6 times 1, 6 times 5, 6 times 5. So I get 6, and 6 times 5, 30, and 6 times 30. Everything else stays the same. Divide by 3, keep the m, plus, divide by 1, keep the m, equals, divide by 6, and I realized I didn't put a 1 under here. There should be a 1 under that. Let's see, 6 divided by 3 is 2, m, plus 30 divided by 30, m, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay. Did I do that right? Yeah. 32 m equals 5. Divide by 32. Divide by 32. M equals 5 over 32. I am going to check that because Lord knows it doesn't look very good, does it? Here we go. 1/3 times 5 over 32. Really wish I didn't get such weird answers. Plus 5 times 5 over 32 equals, oh my goodness, look at it, it worked. It's 5 over 6. Wow, weird answer, but it works, so we're happy, right? Okay, between, this is over 1, this is over 1, 1, 4, 1, 12, the least common multiple is 12. So everybody, all the numerators, times 12. 12 times -2, 12 times 3, 12 times 5, 12 times 5. 12 times -2 is -24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 5 is 60. And 12 times 5 is 60. This is y, and divided by 1, plus 36 divided by 4, plus, put a y, divided by 1, equals 60 divided by 12. All right, so 12 times -2 is -24y divided by 1. 12 times 3 is 36 divided by 4. 12 times 5 is 60 divided by 1y. And 12 times 5 is 60 divided by 12. Okay, so lots of space. -24y plus 9 plus 60y equals 5. Combine like terms, -24 and 60. I could guess, but I'm not going to. -24 plus 60. 36, okay. 36y plus 9 equals 5. Minus 9 on both sides. 36y equals -4. Divide by 36. Divide by 36. And y equals -1/9. Yeah, let's put that in a calculator. Let's go back here and make sure that I didn't do anything too crazy. All right. So, 2 times negative 1/9 plus 3/4 plus 5 parentheses negative 1/9 parentheses, double check. Negative 2 times negative 9 plus 3/4 plus 5 times negative 1/9. Work. It did, 5/12. Look at that, mathing it up good today, Bono. All right, great job. I hope you tried the problems, and we will talk soon. Bye. Happy mathing.